Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing of this Aula F75 Mechanical Keyboard. So here, like, the box is very plain. It got some branding on it. Like, it says the Aula brand, and it's got like a spider. I guess that's the logo. It looks very like gamer. Looks very like tech, you know. It's quite nice. Yeah, but the box is very plain. It's like a plain cardboard box. Yeah, I'll just open it up. Okay, so I'll just try and... Okay, so here's like the real box where it's like where it shows you the actual, like, more of the product. So it shows off it's a gasket structure, so it's like more, it should be more springy. It got 80 keys, and it has like cool backlight effect. And it's also showing like the F75 like model branding, which is very cool. And it's got like a turquoise color to the box. What's on the side of the box? I just say mechanical keyboard. On the other side, it says 2.4 gigahertz, so that's for your wireless like connectivity. And it's also you can also connect it because it's like a Type C in it, like a Type C port, like to connect it or to charge it. On the back of the, or the bottom of the box, it shows you product specifications. It's so yeah, I got 80 keys, 40. I got 40 millimeter or 4 millimeter, like, I guess like that bottoms out after 4 millimeters, I think. It shows you the product size as well, product weight, the charging voltage and all that, the rated voltage, rated current, the battery life, battery capacity. It's got a 4,000 milliamp battery. It also got approximately 17 and a half hours of battery life if the lights are on. If the lights are off, it can last up to 266 and a half hours. So that's very good. Yeah, I'll just open the box now. So, yep, it opens. Okay, first thing you see is this, I guess it shows you where like the cables, the ports and stuff are, and like what the special like buttons do. For example, it's got a knob here, but it's in like Chinese, so. Then on the back, it also shows you the shortcuts. So if you want to be, for example, connecting to a Mac, you go function E. If it's Windows, function W. Yeah, it shows you a bunch of toggles and stuff. And yeah, there's like a quick start guide pretty much. Alright, so the case, okay, this is like plastic over it, which is quite nice. It's protection. Here's like the product manual. So yeah, again, alright, it's got like English instructions. So it shows you the same stuff I showed you earlier, but it shows you how to turn it wired, like from wired to wireless mode and stuff like that, and Bluetooth, and how to change the backlight, yeah, and how to change operating systems and all that. Okay, here's the actual keyboard. Yeah, I'll just take it out of the box. It comes in this nice plastic cover. Okay, wow. I got it in like I think the color scheme was glacier blue. Right off the bat, the lights are already on, which is interesting, because yeah, I wasn't expecting it. So yeah, it looks very clean. the keycaps look very nice. The color scheme, the legends, the knob. It's got like a slight tactile bump every time you switch it. Right now, it's changing the brightness of the lights. You can also press it to change the mode. It's RGB mode now. But I'll just have a quick feel and let you guys know. Oh wow, that sounds really good. Hang on. It's quite a deep sound. Wait. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that sounds very good. One of the things that surprised me the most is the spacebar, because the stabilizers on it is very good. There's no like rattle or scratch or squeak, because I believe it comes with pre-lubed switches. Yeah, so that sounds so smooth. And it sounds even from all, from the middle or the sides. Yeah, and it sounds very good. Yeah, it's got a plastic casing, which is fine. It shows you where the Bluetooth options, and if you want to connect it to either Type-C or Bluetooth, here's the USB thing to connect to your computer. On the bottom, bottom of the keyboard, it has 4 big rubber feet, so it doesn't move around. And it's also got these little stands that click, like risers. So if you prefer to prefer a more elevated, angled typing experience, you have options. You can do a little bit, or you can also do a lot. Yeah, depending on your preference. So that's quite good. Sorry, the keyboard sounds very good. Let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, so here it comes with a cable. Yeah. Okay, it comes with a cable, so you can connect it to the computer easy. And also comes with a keycap puller and switch, a switch puller as well. So yeah, if you ever want to switch out your keycaps and your switch, you can. Let's just give a quick demo. So for example, yeah, you can do that. And you can, I'm not gonna do it. Should I do it? No, I'm not gonna do it. But you can use this to take the switch out. But I don't have any other switch to demo, so I'll just leave it on. Then you just press it on. Yeah. Nice. And also you got some spare switches. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. In case you ever, I don't know, if you ever break them, you bend the pins or whatever, you have some spare switches. Very nice. Is there anything else in the box? No, that's it. Okay, yeah, so that's the unboxing of the Aula F75 Mechanical Keyboard. Thank you for watching.